Jampui kuchuk rungnogo songtaja protikore susason pandawa thangai manjagi kya hastini montrakra Dr. Manik Saha. Paragliding take off point te landing point e Jampui kuchuk rungnokni ketal building no phiyogwi rwjakha montrakra Dr. Manik Saha. Montrakra ni logiwo montri santona chakmanok hobai TRDC ni chairman Tinku Roy Uttar Hangkoni Hangkorpha Nogesh Kumar Hangkor Police Super Kiron Kumar nok hobai kubuni atongropo tongmaikha. Jampui Hill paragliding point phiyogwi rwjakma bai Jampui Hill berainai rokni bagai tabuk belaino khawarjak thai hini shakha. Te aboni logi amchani luku hamkraite rung hamkrani kok rokno khurchawai mudi hapangni tangbutang kok rokno pukhurchawai pandawa astani montrakra Dr. Manik Saha bini kokla narkha.
On my birthday, but you have to provide the service to the people. And every time we did it, and this time we have inaugurated this Protikore 2017. And it will continue up to November, that is 3 months it will continue. And the beneficiaries to have the different certificates for which people have to go to the office. So, at one go, everything will be getting in different manner and different awareness program. So, and at the BC level and at the Gram Panchayat level, not only on subdivision or district level, not in state level, we have decided to go at the grassroots level. So that's why we are doing this Protikore Sushasana. I am very glad today that never have thought of that here also, this paragliding also could be started. Really I am amazed for this. So today, and that is also in this district and this is in Khumpui. I am very excited, rather I should say, to open that one. And the people of the other states also having this knowledge, getting this information, they of course will rush to the Jampui Hill. And for that, because of the tourism department, they also have help for our this tourism department. Our minister also, he was also very keen to start that one. And he was also excited yesterday. He said that he had went to outside. He told that I could not be able to attend there. But this is really amazing. And for that, budgetary allocation was also there. And I thank our administration, particularly our district magistrate. And what students particularly. So really I am amazed. And what I have thought, what I have imagined about this Jampui Hill, this is more than that. And the way you have welcomed me, really I will never forget for this. Our government is a very transparent government, and for that, the good governance, what we say that what is good governance, that people should know. I know the 100% people know it, but there are some reasons for which people may not know the actual the governance of the Tripura. So that's why we have decided that every nook and corner we will go the governance to the each and every houses. So for this we have decided that there are so many schemes, beneficiary schemes, and due to some unknown reasons or due to some lack of effort, there is some deprivation also to get all the facilities of the government. So that's why you will be surprised to know that when I went to Delhi and our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi called, and in presence of him, there are about 28 points on which we have to tell him that these are the schemes, and we have achieved about 96%. So there we have been appreciated in presence of all the other ministers and other dignitaries and other officials, high officials of Government of India. So the left 4%, why 100% should not be filled up? So for that reason we have decided that Prati Ghar Sushashan, the left 44% should complete and we should get the saturation point. I am very glad, and for your kind information, you might have heard our Honorable Prime Minister's birthday was on 17th September. So on that day, I along with other ministers or cabinet ministers, we have on his birthday, our Prime Minister